Let's build a city, big and tall. With construction vehicles, we'll use them all. Big machines rolling in, let's meet them now. Let the fun begin. Here comes the bulldozer, pushing the dirt, followed by the excavator, digging with work. The crane lifts beams so high in the sky, and the dump truck hauls it all, driving by. Build, build, build with the machines, the coolest trucks you've ever seen. Digging, lifting, rolling too, construction fun for me and you. The mixer spins concrete round and round, the roller flattens it down on the ground. A forklift lifts, stacking boxes up high, and the grader smooths the road as it drives by. Build, build, build with the machines, the coolest trucks you've ever seen. Digging, lifting, rolling too, construction fun for me and you. The jackhammer breaks the rocks into bits, the backhoe scoops while it twists and it lifts. The paver lays the roads nice and neat, and the tractor's wheels never miss a beat. The skid steer turns and moves so fast, the wrecking ball smashes walls with a blast. The loader carries big piles away, and the quarry truck works hard every day. Build, build, build with the machines, the coolest trucks you've ever seen. Digging, lifting, rolling too, construction fun for me and you. So many vehicles working as a team, building our city is a builder's dream. From the dirt to the sky, the work never ends. Construction vehicles are our best friends.